Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the vignette effect in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app, and here it usually opens up in the gallery, but from the gallery we have to select a picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. Here, after it loads, in the bottom bar, we have to select Effects. We tap on Effects, and then we scroll down and find Vignette. If we slide it to the right, then the Vignette effect is going to be lighter. And if we slide it to the left, then the Vignette effect is going to become darker. It's basically a shadow from the edge of the image. Then after we manipulate the vignette effect, we can do other things. We can set the midpoint of it, how close it is, how the shadow approaches the midpoint, or how the shadow becomes farther from it. Then we can edit the feather and the roundness of the vignette effect. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.